Hello children, that is the fourth part of continuation of topographical map. In this I am going to explain about the conventional sign or symbol which is used in the topography map. Let us see here some of the symbol it is given. Let me give you metalled road in such a way it can be. Okay, then unmetalled, you can see the difference. It is with red color. It shows in the map in the red color and it is like this. Simple lines are there, doubled. Car track means simple red line. Pack track means in between it is given. And some of the maybe the any of the interruption is there. It shows. Footpath means small dot it is there. Some place small lines are there. Continuation. In the bridge, it is shows in such a way, and the river is flowing, and in that one bridge is given, and it shows. Same way the causeway. It is as a road on that it made as a river is flowing, and then it can crossed. Stream is rivers. It is only the simple small river. Okay, that is it shows in any of the way. River bank, it is given mainly one question they are asking about it. The steeps of 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 5 hour. It is given. Then they are showing the steep of the flowing of the river. Well is shown as a circle. Tank, the square. Near well, it is written brackish, written there itself. It means the water is not fit to drink. They are usually using in the irrigation or other things. Okay, it is not for the people to drink. That brackish written. Broken land, it is marked like this. In such a way. Railway broad gauge and simple railway, it has to be given. Some of the places only one line is going in the villages. Broad gauge, meter gauge, simple similar. I'll show you, it is in the book. Contours, in the contours also it is shown. You can see I am going to show it. These are the different features like this. It is given as a last year or that one saddle, call, pass in such a way. And then mountain, hills, plateau. In that one they are showing as a height accordingly. Okay. Next one, sand dunes. You can see here the water bodies. In between the white patches are there. It shows as a sand dunes. These are the white patches. Fort, the symbol is that. Temple, then domes, then lighthouse, mosque, tree it can be shown, then deciduous forest and bamboo. I'll show you it in the book just now. Okay, then height, the spot height, then dot is there, and then height about a particular area, the height of mountain and hills and plateau they are having. If the triangular shape of the particular place, the height is, then triangular has to be made in such a way. Benchmark means that one is measured by the government. It is said as a benchmark. The BM in the capital it is written, and then later after it is the number they are showing. Then simple the post office, PO, Dak Bungalow, DB. Such a way it is already given in your book. Just now I will show you. You can see here. Though every topo sheet map whenever you are getting in the exam, you can see here at the down every they are having. But it is good to learn it or to know the sign or symbols, so that inside you can search it out. Whenever it's needed, then you can search it out. The temple, sometime in between they are showing the temples and well and other things, greenery, yellowish, what they are showing, then it can be. Do practice it. Then in the next video I'll show you some of the exercise and explanation according to the topographic map.